This video is about the prayer mudra and the Venous Lock and the benefits of doing both. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to talk about why you want to do prayer mudra while you're doing yoga or meditating, and what is the Venous Lock. I've just learned about this myself, so I thought I would share. The prayer mudra is relatively simple to figure out. Most people know what prayer position is. The reason that would want to do this is because it neutralizes the energy of the body by bringing the positive side and the negative side together. The prayer mudra is known by most people, I would think, where you just bring the palms of the hands together. You want to apply gentle pressure so that they're flat against each other, and this neutralizes the energy of the positive side, which is the right side of the body, the male side, and the negative side of the body, which is the female side. The prayer mudra can be used for invocation or devotion of your yoga practice. It is a really good way to start off your practice, and you can bring your hands to prayer position, heart center, and maybe close your eyes, dip your chin down a little bit. That'll keep you from having your mind float off, and just check in. This is an excellent way to start off your practice. Next, I will cover the Venous Lock. Essentially what this is you just lace your fingers together gently, and you want to put your right thumb on the fleshy part, the webbing in between the left thumb and the left pointer finger. The tip of the left thumb presses against the fleshy mound of the right hand. Interestingly enough, this is for women. Men would do it the opposite way. They would lace their fingers together the opposite way and have their left thumb at the webbing on their right hand. Just like this. This mudra gets its name from the fleshy part at the base of the thumb that is called the Venous Mound. What you can do here is apply pressure with the thumb of the opposite hand. And this is known for helping with sexuality and love. Venus is associated with love and sexuality. This mudra, as we're pressing the thumb into the fleshy part of the opposite hand, again, for women, we want the left thumb pressed into the right fleshy part. For men, it's the opposite. But this helps to This mudra channels sexual energy, and it helps to promote glandular balance. Well, I certainly hope that you learned something new today. I did not know about the Venus mudra until just now, so thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. You can check me out on Instagram as well. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.